Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Design. Today we will look at some of the greatest modern, elegant living room design ideas with exposed stone wall. It is amazing how a stone interior can change an entire room, giving it an amazing style and also a modern look. Stone interior wall don't have to look like they are creating a cold room. Indeed, they can warm the atmosphere with decorative elements like plants or other natural objects with powerful color. Natural materials in the living room are always a fresh and welcome idea for creating a warm and cozy living room. A living room with natural stone wall will most likely reflect breezy and cheerful ambience with natural and bright feel. A natural stone wall can be a great idea for a contemporary living room in order to avoid and prevent the cold and dull appearance of the place. The concrete wall can create a monotone and gloomy ambience in the living room. Therefore, a stacked stone wall is a great idea for preventing that to happen. Stone comes in many different forms and varieties and can be used in interior design in a lot of different ways. Creating an original looking wall with stone placement, the stone can have slight textures or it can be plain as well. Frankly, the stone does not define the beauty of the wall. It is the lighting that creates a sense of light and shadow and make the wall extremely beautiful. The stone slabs can be placed horizontally or vertically as per the interior setting, but the lighting on the slab should always come from above or for best view. Decorative stone and stone mosaics have the function of high quality wall and floor coverings, and they represent the extraordinary aesthetics effect. In addition, due to its characteristics, introduces elements of the nature into every space. The porosity of natural stone always allows rapid heat transfer through the walls while helping to improve the acoustics of the space. Because of the sound is absorbed by the structure of stone and thus reduces the echo of the room. Stone decorations are suitable for walls and floor surfaces. Friends, if you like these interior designs, you can visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and also download our app Interior Decor Designs that is available on Play Store. All the link is there in the description box below. Our app has all the latest interior designs so that you can browse through the latest and trending designs and make your home interior look great and amazing. If you want to make cheerful and elegant living room, then you should think about making one stone wall. It will add a pleasant atmosphere and you will feel cozy and relaxed all the time. Stone walls in interior or exterior have a distinctive texture and a strong presence in the room. These natural characteristics of the material can be emphasized through the accent lighting. Lighting can be provided from above and below for the best visual effect. The decor style is simple but makes the whole place look elegant. Fake stone materials are stylish and add a contemporary flair to modern interior designs. Manufactured stone veneer is a true replica of natural stone, and this material brings the beauty of natural stone into a room, enhancing interior design with a natural feel and fantastic textures. Artificial stone veneer allow to achieve outstanding creative and affordable style for your modern interior designs with a fireplace or accent wall using a man-made decorative materials like artificial stones. So friends, if you love this video, show your love by putting a thumbs up to this video. You can also leave a lovely comment. You can download our Android app that has thousands of latest interior design ideas that can be sought by trending designs and different categories. You can browse through the categories and find your best interior designs that suits your home. Friends, we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.